Guys, good afternoon. This is Ron again from wapinas.com, and I'm somewhere out there now. I'm not in the house while I'm doing this unboxing video. I'm at a bar. It's called Trust School. Anyway, we're doing a quick unboxing of the new F3, the black version, and I'm here with
I'm not even here.
Yeah, I'm here with the boy from the Fanboy SEO. Or minsan, depende kung sino kausap mo, Fanboy SEO daw. So, yung mga fans ng Fanboy SEO dyan, pakilike po ang page ko, no? So, ito yung bagong F3, no? Hindi pa ako nakapag-unboxing ng regular na F3. So, ito yung special version, yung black. Yung isang kasama ko dito nakapag-unboxing na daw siya kasi nanalo siya.
Nanalo ako.
Oh.
Tab power.
Yes. So, kita nyo naka-plastic pa. Paano ko ba ito hindi sisirain? Okay, so paano ba? Yun, okay. Yan po, okay. So, ang specs ng F3 is the 16 megapixel beauty camera na dual selfie camera, yung harap. 120 degree angle yung selfie camera niya, may flash, and 4 gig RAM, and 64 gig ROM. Totoo to? Pati yung sa'yo, 64. So, kung di nyo pa po nakikita yung normal na, no, ito po, agawin ko yung telepono ng kasama ko. Ayan. Yan, ito yung gold, ano to? Gold. Gold version. Itabi natin yung gold version sa limited edition. Tama ba? Limited edition daw to? Okay, limited edition ng Oppo na black. Yan. Okay. Tanggalin natin.
Tagal
eh, baka mabasag ko. Ayan, oh, magkatabi, diba? Oh, ang ganda ng black. Walang sinabi yung gold. Black ako. Pero kasi itong napala yung comparing Earl ay F3 Plus.
No, it's F3.
Ba't parang mas maliit itong akin?
Yes, yun ang ano dyan.
So mas maliit itong black version. So I think it's 5 inches, ano?
5.5 yata kasi akin parang 6 halos eh.
Okay, so compare natin siya sa ibang phone natin. Tingnan nga natin. Oh, so it's a 5-inch phone. Yan. Okay, so it comes with your own jelly case, the standard na headset, jack, cord.
Walang headphones?
Meron nga, headset nga, sabi ko. Labo mo.
Sorry naman.
Labong, pasensya na kayo mga katropa, no? Labo kausap nito ni Fanboy SEO. Kasi SEO, Fanboy Show daw siya. Fanboy Show. Seyo. Fanseyo. Okay. So, the black version of the Oppo F3 is on sale starting on Thursday, June 16. The F3 Black is on sale June 16, 15,990 only. Yun yung back to school promo naman nila, while the Oppo F3 Plus is available for 23,990 only. So kung di nyo pa nakikita ang specs, okay, according dito sa meron ako, no, so dual SIM siya na pareho, IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, octa-core siya, 64 gig nga, 4 gig RAM, so tama. Dual camera siya, no? Ayan, nakita nyo yung harap, dual camera, tapos isang cam sa likod. Okay, the camera in front is 16 megapixels na merong 120 degree flash, na 120 degrees yung abot niya, okay? So, the power button is here on the right, so it's the same with Oppo, okay, F3 na isa. The volume buttons are on the left side. Ayan, tinatanong ako na daw language, English, United Kingdom. Okay. So, okay, wala pang PH dito. Okay. Philippines, meron. Okay. Skip. Saka na. Skip. Okay. Continue. Okay. Next. Oh, so yon, ready na, no? So yan yung phone, okay? Tingnan niyo kung gaano kaganda siya. Agree. Ganda ng quality ng okay? So, tanggalin natin to. So, para makita nyo, ayan yung micro USB sa ilalim, the headset jack, and the loudspeaker. So that's it for the quick look on the unboxing of the Oppo F3. Get it now, get it on June 16. Thanks guys. Bye.